In this video, we show how to replace a power supply unit in a PowerEdge R7725. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To remove the power supply, press the orange release latch and pull out on the power supply. To install a power supply, align it with the rear of the system and slide it all the way in until fully seated. For more information or assistance about the PowerEdge R7725, visit dell.com/support.